Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2019 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.